Hey y'all, this is BG Codes and I am bradgarropy. In this video, I want to introduce you to my latest project, dailytexascountry.com. This is a website that I had been thinking about for a very long time. I love Texas country music and dancing and going to shows, and I wanted to find a way to put all that together into one website and share with that community. So this is what I came up with. This website is many things. It's mostly a content website. First and foremost, I write a bunch of blog posts and put them here. I'm the only author currently, but I talk everything about songs that I like or concerts that are happening, and I've even been tracking all of the live streams that have been going on since coronavirus started. Every week, I produce a video on YouTube called Whiskey Wednesday. I take one random song from the Daily Texas Country playlist, and I just play it and talk about it and tell you what I think about the artist and that particular song. And then really kind of the meat and potatoes of this website is the Spotify playlist that I offer. These are curated playlists by me. This is the original playlist with over 1,100 songs. And then we've got other ones here too, like Editor's Choice, like my top favorites right now, or Hot Off the Press. This is essentially new releases. Recently added songs to the playlist, and then some like other fun ones, ones for specific festivals or events like Cinco de Mayo. I plan to try to generate some money from this website by selling some stickers or some t-shirts or hats, things like that. And I have a store page here. Store's not up yet, products are not ready, so I have an email sign up, and I'll show you how I accomplish that later. There's a little bit about me, about my childhood, about how I grew up to love country music. And this is like a community website, so it can't just be a website. This means you have to do all the socials as well. So I have a Facebook page where I link to all the content that I produce. I find that people find it a lot easier to click through articles and lead them to dailytexascountry.com through social media instead. I also have a Twitter where I wrote a Twitter bot that posts one random song from the Daily Texas Country playlist to this account every day. And then anytime I do a Whiskey Wednesday video, I place it here on Twitter as well. Again, another easy place for people to kind of come and see the content that I produce on their social media. This is where all the YouTube videos live, the Whiskey Wednesday series. I haven't done any one-offs really yet, but this is the main pieces of content I do on YouTube video-wise. And then, as always, you've got the Instagram account, which is doing pretty good at 100 followers right now. So that's kind of everything the website has to offer. Talking a little bit about the technology, this is built with, it's a statically rendered site hosted on a CDN. It's built with Gatsby.js and React on the front end. I used styled components for styling. And like I mentioned, I source data from all over the place. So the posts are markdown files stored in the repository. The videos are sourced from YouTube, and these playlists are sourced through Spotify, all using the awesome Gatsby plugin ecosystem. One of my favorite things about the site is, number one, it's super fast because of Gatsby. But number two is how responsive it is. It can go all the way down to mobile with the little hamburger menu in the corner, tablet mode, as well as the full Texas flag desktop mode. I love the look of this. I'll talk a little bit about how I host and build it. So Netlify is where this website is hosted and built. So it's all statically pre-generated and then pushed out to Netlify's CDNs. One of the things I have to do is that every week I make a Whiskey Wednesday video. I want my latest video to be shown on the main page. So I use a Google Cloud Scheduler to hit one of Netlify's build hooks in order to regenerate the site late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, so that folks can see the latest Whiskey Wednesday video. This is also where I post songs to Twitter. This is where my Twitter bot runs. This Cloud Scheduler calls serverless functions that I have that post these songs to Twitter. And I also showed you the store page where people can put in their email address and get notified when the store is up and running. I use ConvertKit to manage email signups and subscriptions, and soon I should really start looking into doing a newsletter. Another interesting challenge on this website was embedding tweets and images and Instagram posts and YouTube videos. I use a plugin called Gatsby Remark Embedder for this, where I get the really nice like tweet embeds right here and image embeds. I wonder if I have another one. Yeah, like this one shows off the YouTube embed for my introduction video to Daily Texas Country. So that is the tech stack. You can actually find this entire project open source on github.com. Do me a favor, if you like country music, go check it out, go subscribe, and I appreciate your support. So this has been BG Codes. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.